The cheap food that rebuilds muscles faster than meat. After 50, the body changes in quiet but powerful ways. Muscles that once felt strong begin to weaken, energy fades faster, and even simple tasks can feel heavier than before. Many believe that only expensive diets or heavy meat consumption can rebuild strength, but that's not entirely true. In fact, some of the most powerful muscle-repairing foods are simple, affordable, and already sitting in your kitchen. The right choices can help your body heal, rebuild, and regain strength naturally. This may surprise you, because these foods are not only cheaper than meat, in some ways, they may work even better. If staying strong, active, and independent after 50 truly matters, take a moment to support this journey. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Small actions like these help bring more life-changing health guidance to people who need it. Most everyday use eggs daily because they provide complete protein with all essential amino acids needed for effective muscle repair after the age of 50. Eggs contain a balanced profile of nutrients that help the body rebuild and maintain muscle tissue, especially when natural muscle loss begins to accelerate with aging. Some doctors explain that older adults often require higher quality protein rather than just larger quantities. And eggs meet this need efficiently without overloading the digestive system. Their soft texture and simple structure make them easy to digest, which is important as digestion becomes slower and less efficient with age. Unlike heavier protein sources, eggs do not place excessive strain on the stomach or intestines, allowing the body to absorb nutrients more effectively. Research suggests that better absorption leads to improved muscle recovery, which can support mobility, balance, and daily strength in later years. Eggs also provide important nutrients such as vitamin D and vitamin B12, both of which play a role in maintaining muscle function and energy levels. Vitamin D supports muscle strength and coordination, while vitamin B12 helps in the production of red blood cells that carry oxygen throughout the body. When muscles receive enough oxygen and nutrients, they are better able to repair themselves and stay strong over time. Another advantage of eggs is their affordability and accessibility. Maintaining a protein-rich diet can become challenging for many individuals over 50 due to rising food costs, but eggs remain a budget-friendly option that can be included regularly without financial strain. This consistency is important because muscle repair requires steady intake of quality nutrients over time, not occasional consumption. Some doctors also note that spreading protein intake throughout the day can improve muscle building in older adults. And eggs can be easily included in different meals to support this approach. Whether eaten in the morning or later in the day, they provide a reliable source of nourishment that supports recovery and reduces the risk of muscle weakness. Regular consumption of eggs may also help reduce fatigue and improve overall physical performance by providing steady energy without causing sharp spikes or drops in blood sugar. Stable energy levels allow the body to stay active for longer periods, which further supports muscle strength and function. Incorporating eggs into daily meals is a simple and practical way to support muscle repair, maintain strength, and protect independence after 50. Their unique combination of complete protein, easy digestion, and essential nutrients makes them one of the most effective and accessible foods for healthy aging and long-term muscle support. Additionally, eggs contain leucine, an amino acid known to directly trigger muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Some studies suggest that adequate leucine intake helps overcome age-related resistance to muscle growth, making eggs especially valuable. Including them regularly can gently support the body's natural rebuilding process without requiring expensive supplements or complex diets, offering a simple and dependable path toward maintaining strength, energy, and confidence in everyday movement and independence daily. Use lentils regularly because they provide a rich source of plant protein, fiber, and iron that supports muscle rebuilding after the age of 50. As the body ages, muscle repair becomes slower and less efficient, making it important to choose foods that are both nourishing and easy to process. Lentils help meet this need by delivering steady protein that the body can use to repair worn muscle fibers and maintain strength over time. Their plant-based protein content plays an important role in preserving muscle mass, especially when combined with consistent intake. Some research suggests that older adults can maintain muscle health with plant proteins when consumed regularly, and lentils are one of the most accessible options. They provide amino acids that support tissue repair without placing excess strain on digestion. Lentils are also high in fiber, which supports stable blood sugar levels. This is especially important after 50, as sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar can lead to fatigue, weakness, and reduced physical performance. By slowing digestion, fiber allows energy to be released gradually, helping the body stay active and reducing feelings of tiredness throughout the day. Iron is another essential nutrient found in lentils that supports muscle function. It helps carry oxygen through the bloodstream to muscles, allowing them to work efficiently and recover properly. Low iron levels are often linked to tiredness and reduced stamina, which can make daily activities feel more difficult. Including lentils in meals helps support healthy iron levels and improves overall energy. Another important benefit of lentils is their gentle effect on digestion. As digestion slows with age, foods that are soft and easy to break down become more important. Lentils, when cooked properly, are easy to chew and digest, allowing the body to absorb nutrients more effectively without discomfort. Some doctors also note that stable nutrition plays a key role in preventing weakness and maintaining strength. Lentils provide a balanced combination of protein and complex carbohydrates that support both muscle repair and lasting energy. This makes them a reliable choice for older adults who need steady nourishment. Regular use of lentils can help reduce fatigue by supporting consistent energy levels and proper nutrient absorption. Some studies suggest that stable energy allows the body to stay active longer, which supports muscle function and overall strength. Lentils remain a simple and affordable food that can be included regularly without difficulty. Their ability to support muscle repair, improve energy, and protect digestion makes them a practical choice for maintaining strength and reducing weakness after 50. Consistent intake of lentils helps create a steady foundation for muscle maintenance without placing pressure on the body. Doctors often emphasize that simple, regular foods can support long-term strength when the body receives nutrients it can absorb easily. Lentils fit this need well by providing nourishment that supports recovery, energy, and daily function in a gentle and reliable way. They continue to support muscle health, reduce fatigue, and help maintain independence and physical stability as the body ages. Use Greek yogurt or thick homemade yogurt daily because it provides high-quality protein that supports muscle repair and maintenance after the age of 50. As the body ages, the ability to build and preserve muscle gradually declines, making it essential to consume protein sources that are both effective and easy to absorb. Greek yogurt contains concentrated protein that helps repair muscle fibers and supports strength without being heavy or difficult to digest. This type of yogurt also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy digestive system plays a crucial role in how well the body absorbs nutrients, especially protein, calcium, and vitamins needed for muscle and bone strength. Some doctors explain that poor digestion can limit the benefits of even the best foods, which is why probiotic-rich options like yogurt are especially valuable for older adults. Improved nutrient absorption means the body can use the protein it consumes more efficiently. This is particularly important after 50, when nutrient absorption naturally becomes less effective. By supporting the gut, Greek yogurt helps ensure that more of the protein and minerals reach the muscles and bones where they are needed most. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, which plays a key role in maintaining bone strength. Strong bones are essential for supporting muscles and preventing injuries, especially as the risk of fractures increases with age. When muscles and bones are both supported together, the body is better able to maintain balance, stability, and overall physical function. Another benefit of Greek yogurt is its soft texture, which makes it easy to consume for those who may have difficulty chewing harder foods. This can help ensure consistent intake of protein and nutrients, even when appetite or dental comfort becomes a concern. Regular consumption supports a steady supply of nourishment that the body can rely on. Some research suggests that combining protein with calcium-rich foods can improve muscle function and reduce the risk of weakness in older adults. Greek yogurt naturally provides both, making it a convenient and effective choice. It also offers a balanced nutritional profile that supports energy levels and overall well-being. Doctors often highlight the importance of choosing foods that are gentle on the stomach while still being nutrient-dense. Greek yogurt meets this need by delivering essential nutrients in a form that is easy to digest and absorb. This reduces the likelihood of discomfort and helps maintain a healthy eating routine. Regular use of Greek yogurt can also help support immune function through its probiotic content. A stronger immune system allows the body to focus more effectively on repair and recovery, including muscle maintenance. This added benefit makes it a valuable part of daily nutrition for older adults. Consistency is important when it comes to maintaining strength after 50. And Greek yogurt is a practical food that can be included regularly without difficulty. Its combination of protein, probiotics, and calcium supports muscle repair, bone strength, and digestion in a simple and reliable way. Including Greek yogurt or thick homemade yogurt in daily meals helps create a strong nutritional foundation for the body. It supports muscle maintenance, improves nutrient absorption, and strengthens bones, all of which are essential for staying active and independent with age. Over time, this simple habit can contribute to better strength, improved balance, and greater confidence in daily movement. Use chickpeas regularly because they provide a strong source of plant-based protein that supports natural muscle repair after the age of 50. As muscle mass gradually declines with aging, the body needs consistent and reliable nutrition to rebuild and maintain strength. Chickpeas supply essential amino acids that help repair damaged muscle fibers and support overall physical function without being heavy or difficult to process. They also provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly throughout the day. This steady energy is important for older adults, as sudden drops in energy can lead to fatigue, weakness, and reduced mobility. Chickpeas help maintain stable energy levels, allowing the body to stay active for longer periods, which in turn supports muscle health and recovery. Another important benefit of chickpeas is their role in reducing inflammation. Some doctors explain that chronic low-grade inflammation can interfere with the body's ability to repair muscles effectively. When inflammation remains high, recovery slows down and muscle weakness can increase over time. Chickpeas contain natural compounds and nutrients that may help lower inflammation, creating a healthier environment for muscle repair. Chickpeas are also known to support heart health, which plays a key role in muscle recovery. A healthy heart ensures proper blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles more efficiently. When muscles receive adequate blood flow, they are better able to recover from daily wear and maintain their strength. Some research suggests that diets rich in legumes like chickpeas are linked to improved cardiovascular health, which indirectly supports muscle function. Their fiber content further adds to their benefits by supporting digestion and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar helps prevent sudden feelings of tiredness and supports consistent energy, which is important for keeping muscles active and engaged. Proper digestion also ensures that the body can absorb the protein and nutrients needed for repair. Chickpeas are generally easy to digest when cooked properly, making them suitable for individuals who may have sensitive digestion after 50. Their soft texture allows for comfortable eating, which supports regular intake without discomfort. Consistency in nutrition is essential for maintaining muscle strength, and chickpeas offer a practical way to achieve that. Some doctors also highlight that plant-based proteins like chickpeas can be beneficial because they are naturally low in saturated fat, making them a safer option for long-term health. This is especially important for older adults who need to balance muscle maintenance with heart health. Regular consumption of chickpeas can help reduce fatigue by providing both protein and steady energy in one food. This combination supports daily movement and reduces the risk of muscle weakness over time. Maintaining energy and strength allows older adults to stay independent and active in their daily lives. Chickpeas are also affordable and widely available, making them easy to include in regular meals without financial strain. This allows for consistent use, which is important for long-term muscle support and recovery. Reliable access to nutritious food plays a key role in maintaining health after 50. Including chickpeas in daily meals provides a balanced approach to muscle repair, energy support, and overall wellness. Their combination of protein, fiber, and heart-supporting nutrients makes them a valuable food for maintaining strength and promoting faster recovery in older adults. Thank you for spending these few minutes here. Growing older does not mean giving up strength or comfort. With the right foods and small daily choices, the body can continue to support you well. This channel is here to share simple, research-based guidance that helps people over 50 stay steady, active, and confident. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and join us again for the next video.